So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to group in CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is go to CapCut right here. So open up the CapCut app. I have it on here and you can see I've added a video. You can do that through your library or you can import a video through your media. So on here, let's go to library. I've added some video. Now in order to group, I'm just going to split the videos. And you can see now I have two. Now, in order to group, I can even divide it to smaller bits. And you can just go ahead and see there's a few of them right now. So if I select them, you have three. And you can see here it's divided into three parts. Now, in order to group them, so let's select them all. And you can see here some options like rotate, mirror, reverse. You can see the delete options as well. If I click the right click, I can see the option group, or you will need to click on Control G, which will be your keyboard shortcut. So let's do that. So once I've clicked on that, it's gonna be a group. So once I select one, I'm gonna select all. So that's gonna be one group of videos. If I select them all again, you can see they're selected right away. If I click the right click, I can ungroup by clicking Control Shift G or just clicking this again. And you can see right now it's each individual video. So that's how you can group and ungroup in CapCut. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.